Hello everyone. So in the last video we saw how to set up NetBeans IDE along with JDK and MinGW C++ compiler. In this video we'll look at how to install Atom text editor and another way of how we can implement our programs using command line. So here we'll be installing a text editor named Atom. So open up a web browser, go to the search engine and search for Atom text editor. Go to http://atom.io. It automatically detects my operating system. Click on download. I have already downloaded the setup file, so I'm not saving it as of now. I'm just directly heading towards the installation. Open up the setup. And wait for it to complete the installation. Alright, the installation has just completed. So as you can see the shortcut on the desktop. So let us see a sample file. Open up the text editor and create a sample folder in which we'll keep our source code. So let me name it as sample. And copy this path which will add it inside our text editor. Go to the file, add project folder, paste it here and click select folder. So as you can see we have a folder named sample. Right click, create a new file. Now remember, whenever you are working with Java programs, the extension has to be .java. So let me name a file as program.java. So here we have a new file. Let us check. Let us write a sample program. That's it. Save it. Now head over to the command prompt. Inside of the command prompt, you have to set the directory inside of which this file exists. So this file exists inside the sample directory which we have already copied. So the command for changing the directory is cd followed by the path to that particular directory. Right click on it, edit, paste. When you hit enter, as you could see, the path has now changed from this one old to a particular path heading to sample. So how would you compile a program in Java? The name of the compiler is javac followed by the name of the file which is to be compiled. In this case the name of the file is program.java. So inside our sample folder, as you could see, we have only single file named program. After compiling, we get another file, program.class. This is known as a bytecode, and this process was a compilation process where javac is the name of the compiler. Now we will run that file using the interpreter named as java followed by the class file. Now here we do not need to write the .class extension, it would automatically detect it. When we hit enter, the program would execute. So as you could see the output, hello everyone. Our program had only single statement, system.out.println hello everyone. So therefore we get that particular output. So this was the way of compiling and running Java files. Now let us create another file for C++ let us name it as main.cpp. The thing to be noted is that the C++ files have extension .cpp. Alright. So as of now you could ignore the rest of the coding section. Just make sure that are you able to compile and run the program or not. All these things will cover in depth in the upcoming video tutorials. What is this int, what is this main, what exactly iostream hash include means, and all this syntax. Don't worry about it as of now. Just be concerned with whether your environment has been set up or not. Hello everyone. Alright, from C++. So again head out to the terminal. So this step is same for both Java and C++, that you should be working in the directory where the actual source files are located. I have created the cpp file inside of the same directory, therefore I am not changing the path. For compiling C++ program, the name of the compiler is G++, followed by it write the name of the file to be compiled, which in this case is main.cpp. After the compilation, it will create an object file which has to be run, which has to be executed by us. So when I open this directory, you could see a file named as A. So by default, whenever you compile a C++ file, the output file will always be named as A, and you could run it by .a dot out. Sorry. Alright, so you could directly run that file by naming it hello everyone from C++. If you want to explicitly provide the name, then you could compile it as follows: G++ main.cpp -o followed by the name of the output which you want. Suppose if I want the resultant file to be named as OTP, then you have to include -o followed by the name OTP. So this will create object file named OTP. As you could see, the name of the file is now OTP, and when you run it, you get the output. So this was the compilation step, and this was the execution step in C++. Whereas in Java, compilation step is done by Java C compiler and interpretation is done by Java.